Welcome to this next episode of Tech Ninja Challenges. So, in the last episode, it was all about an overview of Screencast-O-Matic, and we were using that, and we want to use that to capture the amazing work that the children do. So, I mentioned in that video that actually, what do we want to do with that work? Where do we want to send it? Where do we want to kind of place it so everybody gets to see that as appropriate? You know, whether it be other children, whether it be the child's teacher, parents, carers, etc. So I mentioned that actually one of the apps that we use in school is Showbie. So I just want to give a very quick overview of Showbie. On my channel, I've got another video which goes through the process of creating an account for your child. And adding them into your child's teacher's class in Showbie using a code that you get provided. So check out that other video and that'll go through those steps. So this is really, I wanted to show you where and what we can do with Showbie. So where we can place things, what kind of tools are in there already, assuming that we've got an account set up for our child. You've got an account to show in Showbie, and you know, obviously we're members of our teachers class and we want to be able to put our amazing content in there. So as you can see on screen, I've got Chrome browser open. In this case, works in any browser, and I want basically just, you know, I've got Google open. I want to do a quick search for Showbie as always. So give it a moment or two, and you can see there Showbie. Straight away, it's the first hit, first result. You can go straight to sign into Showbie as well, actually, because this is what we want to do. So this is the browser version, okay? And in this case, we want to sign in. We're not going to sign up for free because we've already got our accounts created and we're already members of the class, so we want to be able to sign in for free. And in that video, when I created an account for my four-legged son, Toby, so I'm going to add his in here. So his username was Toby, BS Toby Dixon. BS in this case is the school initials, Billy himself. Just really trying to make that unique and identity, you know, so you know nobody else has an account just like that when we set up. Again, that's explained in the previous setup video. So let me kind of do this. Just ignore that little window that pops up. That's just my password vault coming up and things. So you can see now I'm signed into Showbie as my four-legged son. Let's just click on here. There he is. Oh, my boy. All right. And we're already signed in, as you can see. And Toby is a member of my sample class that I've got set up that I use for training other staff and so on. All right. So I'm going to click on there. Remembering in Showbie, you know, children only get to see they're the members of the classes, or other classes that they're a member of, sorry. They can't go and add themselves into other classes without the code and things like that, and obviously we carefully manage who's a member of which class and which group and so on. Okay, so in my sample class you can see here I've got a number of folders, and this kind of reflects how we've got them set up in school and they're using them with the children already. So we've got English, Maths, Science, Topic, as you can see, but down here we've got a computing folder. Now in here I've already placed for children in every year group. Alright, so reception right through to year 6. In the schools that I work with, we've got, you know, some assignments in here. You obviously things like practicing your typing and keyboard skills, using great resources like BBC Dance Mat Typing. A little bit of entertainment, you know, kind of safe games to play. Hour of Code, great website. We're going to feature that in some of the challenges coming up. And then obviously I've created a folder in here called Tech Ninja Challenges. And just to kind of open that up, you can see here that I've started to add the content, in particular the links to the first 2 videos in the series that I've been creating so far. Obviously this is where I'm going to add the other challenges as we go along. And this is where I would want the children to be able to add their results of their, you know, amazing work. Alright, so for whatever the challenge may be, they can add them into here. Now children in Key Stage 2, so that's year 3, 4, 5 and 6, and our EMS children are used to using Showbie as because you've been using this for a number of years now. Alright, so they're quite familiar with this process. If I click on add, this is where, you know, you can see I can very quickly add a comment. You know, that can be a text comment, you know, wherever it may be, very quickly, you know, very profound. Hi, and it'll obviously come up with who's put that out and when, you know. So you can delete that as well if you want to. Just go into here, you can edit if you need to, and delete. So I'm just going to delete that random comment. But how do we kind of get to the, you know, the work that they've created and so on? So you can click on add. All right, now this is the browser version, and so you can add from computer. All right, we've got Drive and OneDrive, and there's, you know, there's voice notes and things in there as well. We don't tend to use these. Okay, depends. You know, if you're using an Android tablet, you may well have that linked to your Drive account in there as part of your Google account. So that's just a bit of storage and so on, similar to, you know, Microsoft's OneDrive. But mainly what we do, if we've got it local on the, you know, the laptop, on the desktop PC or Mac that we're using, we click on add from computer, and then obviously we can go and search for whatever content that we want to kind of go for. All right, whether it be, you know, a video file, a Word document, or whatever. Alright, click on it and then you can upload it in there. So if I just use one really quickly, what have I got? Indoor scavenger hunt. There we go, important stuff. Got absolutely nothing to do with Tech Ninjas, but just to give you a flavour. Alright, so you can see there very quickly, uploaded that. I can rename if I need to. Again, just click on the three little dots. Alright, make a copy of that, download it and so on. It depends, you know, obviously what permissions the children have as well. But certainly I can rename that if I need to. And let them know obviously if that's the answer to or their response to one of the challenges. Probably best to name it the same thing as the challenge. Okay, you can of course delete it as well, which I'm going to do. Alright, because I don't actually need that one. So this is using the browser version of Showbie. Okay, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to head over, I'm going to grab my iPad and show you the app version of Showbie. Okay, and you know, you've got a little bit more functionality in there using, you know, things like camera and so on. Alright, so let's head over there now. Okay, so you can see I've got my iPad here. I just want to very quickly show you the app version of Showbie rather than the browser version. So the app is available only on iOS, so that's Apple devices at the moment. And so if we tap on Showbie, you can see I'm already in the class signed in as Toby Dixon, my four-legged son. If I just go back a few steps, you can see there's the class exactly as it was on the browser version. Obviously there's the folders. I can see I jumped into the computing folder, and there are the assignments. In this case I went to the Tech Ninja Challenges assignments. Okay, and you can see there they are exactly the same as what we saw when we were using the browser version in the previous section of this video. Okay, the reason why I want to show you this is obviously if we tap on the plus sign, the add sign, we've got a little bit of different functionality in the app version. All right, you can see very quickly we can go straight to our camera, we can scan a document, we can go to our photo library, we can create voice notes as well as uploading files. Alright, so you've got a little bit more functionality in there. So for example, if you want to capture the video, you can go onto your camera, choose the video section, and then just capture that straight into Showbie. Alright, so that's what I want us to be able to do. I want us to be able to save all of this amazing work, create a variety of different responses, maybe a video, maybe a file, maybe a picture that you're putting together, depending on the nature of the challenge that I've set, and then put them into Showbie. Alright, so we can keep those. And remember, if we go back a step just on here, those computing, and the other folders in there, the assignments, if I post it straight into there, in this case the Tech Ninja Challenges, only my teacher would get to see that.